guys! Today we are going to be redecorating my room. Basically moving things around a bit, adding in some new decorations, kind of changing the layout. I'm going to be adding in a little more black and some more city pictures, a little bit more red, because yeah, I feel like I have a lot of white in my room, so I want to make that a little less. Let's hop on into it. The first step to this makeover redecorating is to get some new decorations. So I went to IKEA, At Home, Home Goods, and Hobby Lobby. I love this. It has like the white brick design. Right now I'm about to head into Target and I'm looking for a jewelry organizer. Because Target failed, I am going to run into Home Goods and see if there's anything here. Back from Home Goods and it was a success. Got a letterboard. These are super popular and I've been wanting one. It was a good price. It was $12.99. I came to a different Target and they have jewelry stands. Thinking of either this one or this one. How many should I get? Should I get 4 or is that too much?
3. You should have 2 on one and 1 on the other. It's not like boring symmetric like line.
Okay.
3.
Are you sure? Because I feel like 4 would look good.
I don't think so.
Back to IKEA again, so we're gonna go in, get a few more things, and then we can finally do a makeover. Now that we have all the stuff, I'm going to kind of rearrange some of the furniture. The reason for moving stuff around is A, just because I want to, and B, I want this wall here where my dresser is to be open so then I can use it for filming as a background. I'm going to be keeping my bed and my desk where they are. It's hard to move them just because I have 3 doors in my room and a window. But I am going to be moving my dresser and my bookshelves as well as my side table. That's going to be out of my room, and then I'll be moving my clothing rack. Let's start redecorating. My dresser is all cleared off. There was only some candles on it, so super easy. For my bookshelves, I'm going to take all the decorations off and then unscrew them from the wall. For sure going to be putting them on either side of the window, so see which side works the best. Just cleared out my bookshelves and I have everything on my desk and on my bed. Not really sure what I'm going to do with all of it. I've changed up my room and like moved around the furniture a lot, but I haven't ever had it in this setup. I feel like this is the most practical use of the space that I've had because now I have the white wall open up so I can use that for filming. My bookshelves are in the back corner. Previously there was my side table. There wasn't really a point of it. I have my little like bedroom area. Now it's time to put up some decorations. I decorated with my dresser and I really like how it turned out. So basically I put my letterboard in the center of it and then I put my 2 fake red poinsettias on each side of it. On the side by the wall I have my jewelry tree and then on the other side I put 2 candles. Now we're gonna move on to my bookshelf. I'm actually going to be taking out one of the shelves in it. Right now it has 6 shelves, so there'll only be 5. Because I need the shelves to be taller since I did get the red bins and they're not gonna fit with how tall the shelves are right now. boxes set up, and they're really great right size. These were only $4 each at IKEA. Now it's time to take out one of the shelves from my bookshelf and reorganize them. How the bookshelves have turned out. My original plan of making there be 5 shelves and the spacing between them to be all the same didn't go as planned. The middle shelf that's above the second red bin that's closer to the top cannot be moved, so that's not gonna work out. So the shelves are just gonna have to be like this, with 2 bigger shelves at the bottom and then 3 smaller ones at the top. I guess I'll just put in some other decorations in my bookshelves to get those set up. I'm not quite done with my bookshelf yet, but here is kind of what it's going to look like. We have the bins down here, which I'm going to put some clothes in to have a little bit more storage for them. I said that really weird. Above that, I have some books. I was only able to put the shorter ones that fit, so I'll have to figure out where to put the rest of them. Above that, I have 2 picture frames that I got from IKEA, and I'm going to print out some black and white city photos and put that in there. And then on the top, I have a nail polish organizer and some flowers. That's how it's looking so far. The next step is going to be to actually put some photos in these picture frames. I need to print out the photos, so I need to find those and do that. But I'm also going to put the photo of New York in this other picture frame and cut it down because it is a little bit long on the end. I just put the New York City photo in this frame. It's called New York City at Night, so the skyline is black. It looks even better than I envisioned it in my head, so I'm really happy. Picture frame here to hang up, and then I need to check for studs, and I'm going to use one of these hooks to hang it up on the wall. I'm hoping that this will work. Also, there's like, I don't know if the camera's showing high enough, but there are some holes from where the bookshelves were screwed into the wall so then they don't fall over. So I'm hoping that this will cover those up. Oh, there's a stud. That is not going to work because apparently there's studs in the whole area. So I'm going to use command strips. I found these thin ones, so they'll work on the sides of the frame. Okay, so this really has not been working at all. Basically, the command strips would not stick to the like wood corkboard material or whatever it is, I don't even know. And then I hung it up on the wall and it was kind of crooked. There's no way to adjust it with command strips. I was worried about it falling off anyways. Hopefully we'll find something that'll work. No. Update, I was able to actually get the hook in the wall and now I was able to hang up the frame. I feel like that's a good height and it did cover the holes from my bookshelf, so worked out great. Rearranged area is basically done. I just need to put a few more clothing items on my clothing rack. The next place that I'm going to be changing up a little bit, not that much, is my bed. So for one, I have a throw blanket on my bed because originally I had my Christmas comforter on it and I haven't put the white one back on yet. So I'm going to put the white one back on, and then I also have this throw blanket that I'm going to put at the end. And as for the throw pillows, I got another black throw pillow cover, all just really little changes. basically looks like how I used to have it a little while ago, like before Christmas, kind of, I think. Well, no, I had this throw blanket even before that, so like a year ago. Pretty simple, didn't really change up this too much. Now I'm going to do a few things to my desk area and the shelf above it. I'm not going to be doing too much to this area either. Mainly I'm just going to be switching out a few decorations, adding a few new ones in. I just made another frame with a city picture. This is one that I already had. I had like a to-do list in this originally, so I just wiped that off with some cleaner and then put in the photo, and now it goes perfectly. We'll put that right there. This last part of my room is done, so now we're completely done. Wow. I really love this area too. I love that sign up here. There. Yeah. Inhale, exhale. Super cute. Love the vibe of it, love the colors. Ooh, and I got my calendar hung up, finally. I got this calendar at Target when I went after Christmas sale shopping, and now I finally am getting it put on my wall. So, oh, I'm gonna knock off my lights, whoops. Oh, and then next to it, I put this create sign that I got from Magnolia Market a little while ago. The canvas I had hanging up here originally had 2 hooks that it used. I just figured might as well use the other one too. Makeover. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really love how everything turned out, especially this area here. I love those red bins. I think they're so fun. They'll be so helpful for organization. By the way, I'll have as many of the decorations and my furniture and all of that linked down below. So if you guys want to check anything out, you can. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on my socials. I have Instagram and Twitter. What else? Let's see. I don't really think there is anything else. Anyways, I love you all so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Back from Home Goods, and it was a success. Oh, hey Rose. Hi. Right now it just has a throw blanket on it. I had my white cover. No. Okay. Do you want to say hi?